Shanghai GOINGWIND Machinery was founded in Shanghai. It has expanded in Jiangsu, Hejiang and other places, with factory area of over 15,000 square meters, working staff of more than 150 persons. We have more than 20 years of experience in the R&D and production of food equipment. Our products are sold to more than 50 countries, such as United States, Hungary, South Korea, Pakistan, United Arab Emirates, Indonesia, Philippines, Australia, Myanmar, Thailand, Peru, Venezuela, Mongolia, Saudi Arabia, Malaysia, Canada, Trinidad and Tobago, Egypt, Tanzania, Georgia, Kenya, Congo, Chile, etc. Our company specializes in the development and manufacturing of dairy and beverage equipment, fruit and vegetable processing equipment, sterilization equipment, concentrating and drying equipment, essential oils distiller, and related filling and packaging equipment. Products are widely used in food and other industries, including dairy products, milk, yogurt, cheese, ice cream, condensed milk, milk powder, etc., fruit juices, plant-based milks, tomato paste, jams, dehydrated fruits and vegetables, powder and flour products, essential oils, etc. We is a professional food machinery manufacturer. We are committed to providing customized turnkey projects for the food industry to our customers. We warmly welcome your visit and sincerely look forward to cooperating with you.